ams OSRAM just announced their latest analog front-end for vital sign monitoring, the AS7058. This device features 8 LED outputs, it has 8 inputs for photodetectors, it has ECG functionality, and it can also measure bioimpedance. I was lucky enough to already receive the eval board for this device, which I have here. And on this board, you have ECG electrodes to test the ECG functionality. It has connectors to connect external ECG electrodes. Here you have connectors for bioimpedance electrodes, and here LED emitters and photodetectors for PPG testing. And now let's have a quick look at the software that they provide to test this eval board. So as I mentioned, the AS7058 eval kit comes along with a GUI that helps you test all the features of this new device. So after connecting the device to the power supply, you get two options on how you want to connect to the eval kit itself. So if you use an USB cable, then probably the best way is to just use the USB connection, or you can still try with the BLE and connect to something else if you would prefer. So in my case, I will use the USB connection. The feature that is really helpful for anybody starting with this new device are the configuration presets. Here, ams OSRAM prepared in advance a lot of different, let's say, use cases on what somebody might want to do with the AS7058. So for example, if you click this arrow here, this means upload preset to the eval kit. So I want to try the heart rate measurements and respiration rate measurements. So this is what is already uploaded. So the green mark here means this configuration is uploaded. We go to the measurements here. We start the measurement. In this case, the PPG principle is used, not ECG or something else. So I have to put my finger on the PPG sensor. And you see that in a matter of a few seconds, you already get the heart rate measurement. You can also see how the signal looks like after all the mathematical things that you do on the raw data. And also you get pretty fast respiration rate. So it was less than half a minute when you already get the respiration rate. What is also helpful when working with or when trying a preset that was done in advance is the register map. Here you see all the registers that the device has and how they are configured in one particular configuration. You see how the device itself, the AS7058, is configured. So for example, if we want to see how the filter is configured, what kind of values ams OSRAM used in this preset, you can quickly see. So the green blocks mean that this block of the device is enabled and used. And with this, you can really quickly try how the AS7058 performs, what kind of functionality it has, and what registers you need to set. So all in all, I would say that this is really a great starting point for anybody that wants to test the new AS7058 vital sign monitoring analog front end from ams OSRAM.